Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we're going to be learning how to make a party cat. So what a party cat is, it's a cat with a party hat, and that's really it. I kind of designed it because I thought it was silly and fun, so I hope you guys like it too. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on notifications so you'll be notified when new videos come out. I post a new one every single week. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the party cat, you're going to need one square sheet of paper. Now this project works best if you use double-sided paper, so I am using white on one side and pink on the other side. In this video, the pink is going to be the cat's face and the white is going to be the party hat. So first take your square sheet of paper and fold it in half with the color side facing the inside. So whatever color or pattern you want your cat's face to be, it should be on the inside. Then fold the entire thing in half again. Crease it in. Unfold. Take the bottom right side and align it to the vertical center line. Crease that in. Now let's do the exact same thing on the left side. And unfold. Now let's focus on this bottom right corner here. We're going to take the corner and bring it to that center crease. So place it right there and crease it in. Rotate so that the white triangle is facing down. And now we're going to focus on this crease and this crease right here. So you're going to take this and fold it down and do the same thing on this side. Push inwards with your right and left hands at the same time towards the center. And you're going to have this big triangle jut out right at the center. So here is a side view of how that looks like. Now take this big triangle and we're going to fold it to the right. And also fold it to the left. Place it flat on a table. Stick your hand into this opening, and then with your opposite hand, so I'm using my right hand here, I'm going to push downwards to flatten. And so now it looks like this. So let's flip the entire thing around. And we're going to rotate so that this white triangle is facing up away from us. Take this flap and fold it up. And do the same thing on the left side. And then unfold. Now you notice that there is a little pocket right over here. So what you want to do next is you want to take this flap here and stick it in. But you don't want to stick all the way in. You just want to stick the bottom portion in. And basically you want to have a little part of this triangle exposed. So I'm just going to bring this out a little bit and then crease it in. So now let's do the exact same thing on the left side. You're going to stick this flap into this opening, just not all the way in, just the bottom portion. Grab onto this little triangle here and bring it down. So you can angle it however you want, just like that, and flatten. So now you're going to take this flap and fold it on a diagonal to create the cat's ear. Do the exact same thing on the left side, like that. Next we want to create the party hat, so we're going to take this flap over here that's behind, and we're going to fold it back to create a tip right at the top. Crease that in. Do the exact same thing on the left side. And then we're going to round off his chin here, so we're going to fold that straight up. Crease it in. Draw on a little face. Glue on some decorations. And your party cat is done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this silly origami party cat. Leave a comment below letting me know what this cat is celebrating because I really don't know either. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!